Welcome to this technical guide on the Silvercrest. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your blender is leaking when in use, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to worn-out seals or damaged components that can cause leaks from the jug or base. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, potentially affecting the motor or creating a mess in your kitchen. Let's dive into the tools you'll need for this repair: a screwdriver set, a replacement seal kit, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a soft cloth. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your blender is unplugged for safety. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the base plate by unscrewing the screws located underneath. Be gentle to avoid stripping the screws. Once the base is off, examine the internal components. The likely culprit is the seal around the motor or the jug attachment. To access the seal, you may need to disconnect a few wires. Take a moment to note how everything is connected, as you will need to reattach them later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Gently pull out the faulty seal, making sure not to damage any surrounding components. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to ensure a good fit for the new seal. After that, place the new seal into the groove, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect any wires you had to disconnect, making sure they are secure. Once everything is back in place, replace the base plate and screw it back on. Finally, plug your blender in and test it with a small amount of water to check for leaks. If everything looks good, you've successfully repaired your blender. To prevent this issue in the future, regularly check the seals and ensure you're not overfilling the jug. Also, consider cleaning the seals after each use to avoid food residue buildup. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.